What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out here at Spike's house. Sunshine's back together. We're just waiting to take her to the track, but in the meantime, we've got project number 2 to go on. You can see back behind me here, big old box of parts. Yes, those are Athena gaskets, just like I had on mine. We are going to chance it again.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. I don't know how else to put it. We found on mine, guys, and I'm not bashing the company or anything like that, but we did kind of figure out what we think they've done as far as from an engineering standpoint, which is kind of funky, if you ask me, and bad engineering on their part. Good on a business standpoint as far as saving money, but it seems like what they're doing is they're stamping the gasket, and they're making just one gasket all the same size, and they're adjusting the bore size by the ring. So I would recommend, if you're going to buy these and use these, and we're going to try them again, get the 4x150s. What I got was a smaller bore, and when they do that, they make the ring, I can see here, but if you look at the ring here, they actually make this ring wider, obviously to make up the difference in bore space. Well, when you do that, what you end up doing is, of course, you mess up the pounds per square inch of pressure. When you start widening that thing, they don't cut into the head. When I took my heads off, if you saw in the last video, they didn't cut in at all. I mean, it took maybe 2 thousandths to mill the head to surface it, and shout out to 2J and Fab for doing that for us. They hooked us up. Can't say enough, but they didn't have to do that. They didn't have to do it at all. I mean, it's just a funky deal. But these here should cut in probably close to 10 to 15 thousandths and actually bite into the head. Mine didn't do that. So, not saying it's a bad product. We're fixing to run it on bikes. Philo's going to be the second test dummy for it.
Yeah.
So, hopefully all goes well, but we're fixing to get on this thing here, get the hood off of it, start pulling this thing apart, try to have these things on and off as quick as possible. Yep. Shouldn't take us that long, but we're just going to jump into it. I don't think that's, what is that? That's your soup bowl?
Yeah. Anybody?
For a NASCAR size radiator here.
It actually feels sort of right to there. And then, you know.
Okay. Well, I thought we were drained out, but I guess we got to pop the cork and
pop the cork.
Juice it. Okay, water's drained out of it. All we got left now is finishing.
The rest of it.
We just got the rest of it to do, guys, so we're going to jump on it. All right, guys, top end of the motor is off. Again, all we lack is finishing.
Yeah.
Look at this nice little piece of...
And any of you guys want that done, I can do that free of charge.
This is custom. This is a custom piece here. You can only find this at Spike's Fab Shop.
Absolutely.
Y'all remember this from the last time we went out to the track. It actually held together pretty good. That'll be going back on too. I mean, I don't see why we would replace this part.
That's going to hang out the axles.
Yeah.
The broken 31 spline axles.
This is nice. Oh, the joys of working on a square body. I mean, your form's perfect.
Oh, thank you very much.
Your form is perfect.
30 years in the gym doing that.
And your 6-inch ratchet there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you got the balance. That stud you got sticking out there too is awesome.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that's a skin ripper.
Shit, I don't think it's a skin ripper. Won't beat me. There's no way. No way.
Taking bets on how long it takes them to fall off in the engine bay.
Once.
You even gonna get that one back there? It's gonna take a deep, isn't it?
Yep.
This is gonna suck getting these on and off. All right, guys, we're gonna stop here for tonight. We've got to get this back stud out here and massage this to be able to pull that head off without pulling the motor out. We'll be able to do it, but we's hungry. We're always hungry. I mean, it's food time.
I knew that was gonna be a problem because the motor's set all the way back. So
right. So we're gonna leave that off here, guys. We're gonna get a bite to eat and jump back on this tomorrow. We'll pick it up there.
Pull yeast.
All right, guys. This is not day 2. We took a few days off.
It's been a few days. Yeah.
Did other things. Got other cars running.
Yeah, worked, made a living. Because none of this is funded.
Yeah, we had to eat.
Yeah, exactly.
But we are back at it. As you can see, he's already started cutting on the firewall. Got to notch it out just a little bit to get this head off. We're hoping it pulls out pretty easily, but obviously it's not.
Pull the heads off. I never really designed it for that. So
cooperating. But you can see over here on this side, we got quite a bit of room over here. This side should come off pretty easy.
That side should be good. Just gonna be fighting the master cylinder, which
I don't think that's an issue.
So that should not be an issue. Let's see if I can't fall off here and break my neck and workman's comp and I'm gonna work for myself.
Sue somebody.
Yeah. See the hammer will stay together.
Nice.
Everybody's working these square bodies.
It's awesome.
It's a big seam. And of course, it has to be a real thick seam that goes across here.
All right, guys, we're going to attempt to pull this head off. We got everything notched out and out of the way.
Studs.
Yeah, so here we go with the first one.
Really? I'll show you circus today, baby. Philo.
Come on. Oh, never mind. I thought that was ground strap or something. Well, this side over here is ready to come off.
Hey, look at that side.
I got my side.
Maybe I can see a cylinder.
I think I've got all the washers off.
No, I'll find out.
There we go. The port.
There's some water. All the water dried from last week.
I got my side off.
Great.
I got my side off.
All right, good.
We'll see what the problem is.
Actually ran perfectly fine, but spark plugs. Did it tear them all up? Golly!
There's your spark plug.
Damn, Junior.
There's your spark plug.
Damn, Junior. Yeah, see, now you think I'm lying. I told you I couldn't get those plugs all the way in there. Now, I don't care what you do. Here, get a 5/8, and I promise, try to put them in there.
Well, I'm just trying to see if there's any threads in there. This shows threads.
Yeah, they're just all bunged up with
These are firing real good.
Yeah. God, you believe there's somebody trying to 6.0 with the fucking
And nothing's cracked.
plugs half in there?
Here.
Effing, excuse me. Jeez.
Yeah.
I mean, heads look all right. Nothing wrong with them.
Let's try the other one. Back at it.
Yes, baby.
All right, guys. Attempt number 2. We'll be in the firewall a little more.
4, 6.
One side's off.
Okay, baby.
Here we go. That other side was kind of a pain in the butt too. You just rock it forward.
Yep. I say move. I say go.
What'd you do? It's not hitting in the back, is it?
Of course it is. Right here.
Is it?
Of course. What you expect anything
All
else?
we gotta do is just get it out.
I really never built this to take off the head, so it will be built now to take off heads,
Motor.
change pistons in between rounds. I will. I got the motor set back as far as it goes, and that's one of the issues with it. So when you guys put these C10s in here, you get these motor mounts. You can set them forward, back to clear everything up here. I set it back far enough, or set it back as far as it'll go.
So you messed up.
Well, I mean, otherwise you wouldn't be able to fit all the turbos and stuff up front. All right, ladies and gents, take 7.
Yes. This time it's gonna go.
Yeah, this gun's gonna go. I got a feeling.
Look at that. Something we probably should have done first.
Yeah, well, pull all the studs out.
And that off.
Yeah.
How many spark plugs are sticking out of this?
I know there's at least 1 or 2. See what I mean?
Yeah. Woo. Nice.
I can't believe it ran as good as it did with
With 4 cylinders.
Tore the way in there. That's right.
Well, there's your good set of head for something else.
Yeah, I'll use it on something.
Okay.
Right out there.
Here we go. Everything here on this side of the head looks uneventful.
Looks good.
Doesn't look like anything.
Yeah, looks like it's been running good.
Yeah, I was trying to say, back there it looks like it might have been trying to get a little toasty, but that could be just where we loosened it up. It's been sitting there for a week. But everything looks good. All right, guys, it's ready to assemble back together. We're going to get all cleaned up, get these gaskets off of here, and we're going to give the Athena gaskets one more try.
One more.
He insists on using them.
Josh, where's mine? I'm like, all right.
But we are going with the 4.150s, which is the thinner ring, so it will allow it to bite into the head more. Because I really don't want to do this again for the 4th time. You're absolutely sure about this decision?
No, hey, man, it's your idea. You've heard it here, folks. His idea.
No, I'm going to get blamed for this. Something goes wrong. Yeah, if it works, I won't get the credit for it.
Yeah, well, you know.
Be sure to cut all the way through.
Yeah, no shoot. All right.
Hopefully yours lay a little flatter than what mine did.
It'd be nice. And that's if they don't wash the windshield on after the first pass like yours did.
Hey, watch it now. Take that personal.
Okay, there's a ring.
Oh, probably need that.
Yeah, probably destroyed it.
Oh, these are... Golly, these are a whole lot thinner than what mine were. A whole lot thinner.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. this is comfortable. This is comfy. You go there. You go there. I don't want to see you.
Yeah, yours seemed to lay a little bit more flat than what mine does. Want me to set the rings in there so they got a little more...
You get experience in... Oh yeah, these lay a whole lot flat.
A little bit more leverage, I guess you would say. Reach.
I won't take that personal.
Ooh, remember, rib side up. Oh, you're set in much nicer. Yeah, I wouldn't even thought to think the difference, the bore size being in the ring different.
Yeah, I can see the rings are much thinner than yours.
Yeah. Now, these are like little razor blades.
Cutting ahead.
So again, guys, if you're going to go with these, be sure to use this one, the 4.150, and don't chance it with the 4.056, because you'll end up like I did. Redoing this again. Ah, see, there's that what I don't like.
Yeah.
And it goes down, but it's almost like you want to put something on there.
I know, you almost like you want to...
But I mean, they're not moving. Want to try ahead?
Yeah, I suppose that's what we're here for.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Just trying to get somewhat. Hold on. Really? I got it the first try?
You did very nicely, I might add.
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to put some studs in there. Yeah, hold it there until I get some studs in there.
Can't believe I actually got that in the first try. Let's see if I can take my hand off of this. One semi-assembled head. Well, to an extent, but it's on the truck. That's all that matters. All right, guys, got the heads back on it. All we're gonna do now is put the plugs in, get the headers on. If you're wondering what kind of questions people ask us, what plug we run the NGK 5671A-9, and we are gapping them at 16. And we're running, what, 21 to 22 pounds of boost?
Yeah, about that.
Somewhere around there. All right, guys, we got it all back together. Everything's buttoned up. We're just fixing to check a couple of things. We got some fuses popped out where we're beating on the firewall. Gonna check the fuel, make sure there's no leaks, make sure there's no exhaust leaks, all that kind of stuff. You find them?
I got them.
Stop looking, we found them.
Okay.
So we're gonna give her a little once over here, check fuel and all that kind of stuff, and start this sucker up.
Turn the fuel pump on real quick.
Get down there at the... All dry?
All right.
Feels good. Check both fans. That's right fan. Left fan. Come on, baby. Come on. Got some success.
Look at that. Because I would have figured it out.
Well,
Wiring.
At the end of the video, you got to drop the F-bomb.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were turned off. Hi, everybody.
All right, guys. That's going to do it for us here. We got started. That's success. We're going racing tomorrow with sunshine. We got it all back together. So, thanks for subscribing, guys. We will catch you guys on the next one.